Welcome to our video about the health benefits of salmon. Salmon is a type of fish that is known for its rich flavor and versatility in cooking. But did you know that it also has a number of health benefits that make it an excellent addition to any diet? Salmon is a great source of several important nutrients that are essential for optimal health. These include omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. One serving of salmon contains around 22 grams of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Salmon also contains vitamin B12, which is important for maintaining healthy nerves and red blood cells. But perhaps the most well-known health benefit of salmon is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that the body needs to function properly, but that it can't produce on its own. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing inflammation in the body, improving brain function, and lowering the risk of heart disease. Eating salmon regularly can also help with weight loss and management. Its high protein content can help you feel full for longer, which can reduce cravings and prevent overeating. And because salmon is so versatile, there are many ways to incorporate it into your diet. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or even use it in salads or sushi rolls. So, whether you're a seafood lover or just looking for a way to improve your health, salmon is an excellent choice. In this video, we'll explore some of the specific health benefits of salmon and how you can incorporate it into your diet for optimal health. Thanks for watching, and let's dive in.